The Mortgage Minute today being brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on in the markets this morning. Let's see the S&P 500 up 15. 10-year Treasury flat this morning. Mortgage-backed securities up 5 basis points. What does that mean for interest rates? Yesterday, the loans locked. Oh, they're going back down. I told you that would probably happen a little bit. OBMMI provides the most comprehensive, accurate, timely, and interactive analysis of pricing ever conducted in the mortgage industry, calculated from actual locked rates with consumers across 35% of all mortgage transactions nationwide. 30-year conforming loan yesterday, 5.323. 30-year jumbo loan, 4.823. 30-year FHA loan, 5.248. VA loan, best loan on the market. Thank you, veterans. 30-year, 4.93. The USDA loan, 5.162. And heaven forbid you have the 15. I know some people like the 15-year, 4.419. Why is it happening? What's going on? Well, once again, I've shared this with you many, many times. If you are a CNBC watcher, sorry, but if you're listening to Diana Olick, please don't. Right? I mean, she talks about real estate. She's been telling us for the last 10 years that real estate is not a good investment, that it's falling. And here she goes again today, spewing out more garbage, giving you half the story. So if you're watching us on RonSiegelRadio.tv, any of our socials, or the ABC News and Talk AM 1490 video feed, she's telling us, well, you can't afford a house. And she uses a $300,000 home price, 2019, payment $1,192. That payment for the same property today, $1,991 because of interest rates changing. Okay, that's true. They went from $1,192 to $1,119 in 2020 to $1,245 in 2021 and $1,991 now. Property value went from $300,000 to $438,000. Miss Olick, why don't you tell them what you said in 2019 about not buying a house and not having that extra $138,000 in wealth? Didn't hear that part of your conversation this morning. Didn't hear the part of the conversation just discussing that it's still the best investment. Hey, you know something? You're right. Prices did go up. But as I've said before, you have to live somewhere, and it's going to cost just a little bit extra to have a roof over your head. So maybe you want to live out on the street, Miss Olick. Maybe that's what you're suggesting to most people. Interest rates. We're still in a negative interest rate environment. What does that mean? Well, a neutral rate is basically where the Fed funds rate is the same as the inflation rate. Fed funds sitting about 0.75 right now. Which inflation number do you want to use? PCE core 5.2. Do you want to use the PCE at about 8.3? Tell me what number to use. But any of them means that we're in negative interest. That's not good. Now, about 11 o'clock our time here in California, the Federal Reserve is going to release their minutes from their last meeting. Generally, that is a negative sign for mortgage rates. We'll see what happens because there have been so many Fed chairs or Fed presidents, not Fed chairs, but Fed presidents out speaking lately. So we'll see what happens. Tomorrow, we're going to get the pending home sales report. We'll see on that one as well. That's the Mortgage Minute brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990.